How to use CapCut's stock video. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. The first step in harnessing the stock video library in CapCut is selecting the perfect stock video for your project. Open CapCut and navigate to the Stock Materials tab. Then browse through the various themes or use the search function to find videos related to your project. CapCut's timeline serves as your editing workspace where you can manipulate and enhance the stock video to suit your creative vision. CapCut provides basic editing tools like trim, cut, and merge clips, as well as advanced tools like transitions, effects, and many more. Furthermore, CapCut provides advanced tools such as video background remover, video resizer, auto captions, and voice changer to bring a professional look to your videos.